Hello, welcome to another Photoshop video. We're going to look at this button here, the select and mask. So what I'm going to start by doing is going select subject, and then it's going to select the subject, and then I'm going to do the inverse instead. And then I'm going to go to select and mask. All right, so we've got rid of some of the subject, right? So if you think about it, we want the subject obviously, but we need to have these pieces of hair as well. So if we can make the whole, if we can make, so there's the mask, and then if we can make it also on the hair, then we can just invert the whole lot. That's basically my idea. So we'll do a new layer on that. All right, and then we want to look basically at this area here, because that's where there's all like if you look at this sort of area, right? You can see like there's lots of like wispy bits of hair and stuff. You could go straight into color range and try and do it from there. That is one way you could do it. You could just try turning up the contrast maybe. I reckon that the filter. Let's try on that then, and let's see if we can then do the color ranges on it. Oh, it looks quite good already. So we need to get rid of some stuff though. Like I don't want these things here. Yeah, it's not bad. So you can see that we've got some of it selected. And then you could just do select mask those bits. Maybe that would be good. I think probably if I did feathering as well. Feathering, it needs to be like almost like a reverse feather. It's not terrible though. Yeah, if you actually bump up the edge, that's actually getting there, isn't it? It is getting there. I wish I knew how this refined edges button work. It doesn't seem to do anything. I'm sure it does, obviously, but whenever I just click with it, I guess actually, now look at it, actually is doing something. So maybe I've actually just used it correctly for once. That's nice. I like that I don't have to use too much. Yeah, actually, yeah, working pretty well now.